Generate word-by-word captions in Premiere Pro. Start by choosing entire clip or a specific area by pressing I and O. I'll just choose entire clip, go to text, go to transcription, and if it is not transcribed yet, you can press transcribe, double click and make any changes if you want. Create captions, expand. You can choose single line, double line, and single word. For this video, we are choosing single word, and you can also remove punctuations, but we'll check this one. Create captions. And you can see the captions are now created. Now here in the captions, you can go up and down. You can make any changes if you want. To customize it further, select all your captions, go to properties. Here you can change font, you can change font size, you can set text position, you can change the text color, you can add stock and change the color, you can add background and you can customize that. You can add or remove shadow. And you can see those changes are already applied to our captions. If we play the video,
Generate word-by-word captions.
That's awesome. You can also change the style of any character from the text. You just have to double click and choose any text. Let's say choose this and we can change the font. We can choose bold or regular. We can change the font size and everything that we want. Once you are happy with your captions, go to export, name your file, choose your file location, match source, and hit export. That's it. For some of you who want to move slowly, here's everything for you and more. So once we transcribe, go to create captions, expand, and here you can see 3 options for us. Single word, single line, double line. Now choose whatever you want. For this video we are gonna choose single word, and we can see we don't have much options to play with because it's just single word. But you can remove punctuation if you want. I will leave that for now. Create captions. Now if you see nothing here, you have to select a caption layer. And you can see it's all there. Now you can navigate those using your keyboard. You can use arrow keys, the up arrow and the down arrow to navigate all those words that you have generated. If you want any changes, you can see the blue line here. That means you selected this line. And let's say you want to change something here, just press enter, change your word, and press escape on your keyboard. You can change the font size inside the captions, not in the video itself, but in here. You can select a single caption, or you can select them all. If you select one and make any changes, let's say change the font to this. You can see the font is now changed. But if you move on, all those will be stay same. So if you want to apply your changes to everything, you have to select all your captions. Here let's choose a font. You can use tracking. We can change the position. And let's make those changes. We'll choose the font color. Stock and background. Probably we will just keep it 0. Let's play the video and see.
Generate word-by-word captions in Premiere Pro without any...
Perfect. Now, if you want to save this, you can do so by just going here. Click on the plus, create a style. You can choose save to project. What it will do, it will save to your project and you will get it right here. Let me show you what that does. Save to project, text style, word, hit OK. So you can see it is here, but it is also here. And now let's check save to local style. And if we go there, so what it does is it did two things at the same time. It saved on your local machine and it also added to your project file. So now make any changes to this one, and if you go inside, you just choose one of them and it will be like this. You can select all your captions and you can just apply one of those presets. If you want to get more videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.